Okay, so next question. So we know your favorite mod is tires and rims, which I agree is a great mod. What was your least favorite thing to put on?
Nothing's been bad.
He's lying.
Nothing's been bad.
So the rear tire carrier was easier?
Oh, I hate that.
So why was it so bad? Like what made it bad?
The instructions were horrible. They're almost non-existent. And it's almost like it's a prototype type deal with that one. But maybe it'll get better. And I grew up in a shop working on cars. It was horrible.
So if you decide to do the Havoc off-road rear tire carrier, our suggestion is to just take it to a shop. We tried to do it in the backyard and it was a lot.
We did do it in the backyard.
We did.
It's on.
It's on. Looks great. However, Rhett's pretty experienced, so if you decide to do that and you're not experienced, I would definitely suggest taking it to a shop, not fighting it for a long while like we did. Okay, we felt like we should clarify. We absolutely love this on the back of the car. It looks super sleek. My tire was rattling before we added it. It does not rattle anymore, so this absolutely does its job. It is just a burger to put on. We just thought we should clarify.
It's a good product. It's just the instructions were not great when we were putting it on, and I think it was something that they just added to the market, so it probably has gotten better. And there's not a whole lot of videos out there for installation, so.
Right, so we struggled a little bit,
Yep.
but we do love the product. Just wish they had better instructions when we bought it.
Oh, and it comes with a mount for your antenna, and that's a GMRS mount but it comes with the bracket and everything. It's already pre-tapped, so it's pretty good. It's a good mount. It works great, but you know, overall, I think she likes it.